Before the light was sound, before the world knew our names, that was a dream. A calling carried by millions of hearts, beating as one. We come from different skies, different stories, different scars. But tonight, we stand in the same future.
This is the moment. This is the flame. This is the echo. Calling our name. We are the sound of tomorrow. We are the light in the dark.
Do not follow the path you were given. Create the one you believe in. We are the sound of tomorrow. We are the light in the dark.